In this module, we're going to talk about 3 elements that are very important within your development in Modyo. These are applications, the index and show where we can modify the look of our content, and the third is liquid markup, which we use to reference objects as we go through our development. To start with, let's discuss the 4 applications in a Modyo channel. We have commerce, content, places, and promotions. Each one contains a few different details, but they're all very similar to the content application. To add a new piece of content, we simply need to click on Content in the left-hand menu and click on the New button. From here, I can select the content that we want to create, anything from a post, to an album, to a video, to audio, to a file, and in each one, we have different fields and attributes that we can fill in to complete different parts of our content. In this case, we're going to create a new post in which we'll just simulate some content using this lorem ipsum here. So I'll paste it in there. And the 2 fields we have down here at the bottom are custom fields that can be configured and set up in the settings of every application, depending on which one you have. So, after we have all of our text ready, let's look at the right side where we can add and select a few other attributes of our post. For example, we can choose an image, the category that we want to associate with this post. We can also add 1 or more tags and decide when we want to publish. If we want to publish, we can choose right away when we click save. We can also choose to publish on a specific date. And as well, we can choose a specific day to unpublish in the future. Also, we can enable targeting for every piece of content, in which we can select from a list of your target users who then become the only people who can see this particular post. And also, we can either enable or disable sharing. Once we have our photo and text fields completed, we can save it, and then we can launch a preview of our content, which should look something like this here. Now, if we believe that our content is ready, and if we have the option to publish and save, then it should be ready as soon as we do that. Let's take a look at it from the front end now. So from here in the front end, we can go into our specific channel, and we can easily review all of the published content of a particular type, such as post, by adding post to our main URL path. And as you can see, our content is now publicly available. Publicly available.